Hey, welcome to another episode of geekoutdoors.com. So vlogging is something that's been around for a very long time, but it's not as popular as it used to be, although I still absolutely enjoy it. And today I want to talk about why vlogging is awesome. Now, if you've ever seen any of my other videos, I'm not the type of person to script everything, like I don't have like bullet point lists, or I don't have everything written down for everything I'm going to say. I basically just have some general points that I want to talk about, and I just go ahead and press record. Now, if you actually watch my YouTube channel and you watch the videos indoors, I have a whole setup. I have a lighting setup, I have my mic, all of that's controlled. But whenever I'm vlogging, most of the times I'm outside walking out in nature. But the weird thing is, I make a lot more mistakes when I'm indoors in this really controlled environment versus being outside where everything's pretty much unpredictable. And so it's a really weird thing, and it's hard for me to explain. But I think when you are outside vlogging, you are put in a situation where you have to be very reactive. You have to think on the fly. And at the same time, since you are in motion, it kind of seems like it's a more natural thing. Whereas if you are indoors in a controlled environment, I guess it does something to you mentally. And maybe it just makes you a lot more cognizant or even nervous of what you're saying and what you're doing. Whereas when you're outdoors like this vlogging, you don't really care about it as much. Of course, this is something that takes time to develop, but at least for me, whenever I'm vlogging and I just press record, I just go ahead and talk and walk at the same time, kind of like you're talking to somebody, except it's a camera. And so that's why I feel like vlogging is so awesome, because I really think it's probably the freshest, most raw way to do videos.
For serious YouTubers, check out TubeBuddy, the premier tool used at geekoutdoors.com. Get more done today by checking out the affiliate link in the description area below.
And especially since you can't control a lot of things. I can't control the weather, I can't control the lighting, I can't control all the noises or people that are around me. All I can do is just look at the camera and talk. Whereas when I'm indoors in a studio setup, everything's more controlled, and for some odd reason, it puts a lot more pressure on you. And so those are my thoughts on vlogging and why I think it's awesome, and it's something that I'm always going to do, especially when I'm outdoors in nature like this. So if you actually had any thoughts on vlogging, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. And if you did want to see my entire YouTube journey playlist, I will leave that in the description if you're interested. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe.
Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Gold Content Creators group, where you'll get access to 30 videos plus additional content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Gold Content Creators group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side.
Thanks for checking out this episode. And as always, if you like these videos, be sure to click on the subscribe button. And for full written content, audio content, and additional geek stuff, head over to geekoutdoors.com, and I'll see you outdoors on the very next episode.